game, you know what I mean? Because that's exactly how I was whenever our playoffs hit. Because thousands of people, and then just all there just to watch you play, just to watch you guys play. Oh, dude, that fucked me up. Whenever you're ready, Haas. Remember, ease second to third. Once you're at third, high third. Smoke. I saw smoke.
You saw smoke?
Yeah.
You saw smoke?
Yeah, I saw smoke.
I shifted at 7K right there too.
Oh, it's hello? Let's get one more go. Alright guys, so everything looks good so far.
Yeah, kinda. I can just do it right here.
Yeah.
And then hop off. Do I bang it or should I just start at third?
Yeah, ease on. Like hit, drive normally. Obviously, whenever you get hit third, high RPM. Just
Okay.
go ahead.
And then my 79 shift, and then we'll see if smoke comes out. Just keep looking if smoke's coming out.
I'm gonna look. Don't you worry. Don't you worry about that. I'm gonna look.
Because right when the RPMs hit, I'm shifting. Like, if smoke coming out or not, I'm gonna shift.
Yeah, you don't need to.
And then once I'm in power, you let me stop, and then I'll get off power. I'm gonna pop the hood just to see.
Yeah,
and then CBS will get off right there. If there's still a little bit, I'll rev it up because I have to rev. That's how it happened. Like, I need to make sure it's okay because just in case I do, I don't want to like just keep racing and there's oil all over my shit.
Of course,
We got up to 120, just going into fourth gear. Yeah. That's so crazy. What? Yeah, do we want to go that way? Okay, that's fine. You want to just go that way? Yeah. What's the next road? Yeah, I can't believe at the end of third going into fourth, we were at 120. the passenger and the spaceship, you're like pressing the button. Let me pull over and check to see. Fourth gear, I revved up to 78, went to fifth.
Whoa.
Oh, accident, 1 mile. Okay.
Bro, holy fuck.
I got sketched out because I had to turn. And that's what you were like.
That's what I was like. It works.
No smoke, no smoke. That's a good sign.
That's all you need.
If there's a little drip, what can I do better? We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
Oh, you hit fifth, you bastard. You hit fifth.
That was, I think we were 140.
Oh yeah, they're pissed.
That second felt so good, bro.
Oh shit!
I'm like, no smoke, and I was still in it, and I revved up high just to make sure.
Where'd you go?
78.